how to create separate new users accounts to manage different services of your website in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cPanel dashboard. In this cPanel settings page, click and enter User Manager under the Preferences section. Next, in the User Manager page, you can set up a new user by clicking the Add User button. Here, we need to fill in the user's information, like the full name in this field, and in the second field, a login username. In the domain field, you can select the specific domain you want to allow the user permission to manage. Enter the user's email address in this Contact Email Account field. In this security information section, with the first option, an email will be sent to the user to set up the password themselves. In the second option, we can set up the password for the user ourselves. And below in the Services section, we can enable or disable the services to be managed by the user. Finally, click the Create button to set up the user in cPanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.